this video the 7 most powerful home remedies to get rid of pain quick and to repair your kidneys. Because if you have kidney problems, you cannot take NSAIDs to manage pain. And to make things worse, joint pain, arthritis, and also diabetic nerve pain are very common in people with kidney problems and need to be dealt with. Not to mention all the other painful conditions we all go through in our lives, such as headaches, menstrual pain, back pain, and more. Yes, as incredible as it may seem, there are home remedies that work as fast and as effectively as NSAIDs and other OTC painkillers, but without side effects. Some of the remedies I'll show you today are as powerful as taking an ibuprofen pill because they can keep the inflammation under control, so they can reduce both the pain and what's causing it. Let's see what they are. Number 7 is 5-HTP. L5-hydroxytryptophan, or 5-HTP in short, is the immediate precursor of serotonin, the feel-good hormone. It's a natural remedy. It comes from the seeds of an African plant known as Griffonia simplicifolia, and it can help you having more serotonin and it will make you feel happier. But obviously, serotonin does a lot more than making you feel happy. Low serotonin levels are associated with anxiety, depression, insomnia, and chronic pain. And chronic pain is where 5-HTP can help. This is a potent remedy and it has become popular because it can quickly ease chronic pain but also enhance mood, induce sleep, and promote weight loss. Studies suggest that this supplement may protect against joint pain and arthritis. 5-HTP also has some kidney protecting properties since it can help you sleep better, and lack of sleep is strongly linked to kidney problems. However, this is a powerful supplement, so treat with caution. It may have some side effects, especially withdrawal. Also consider that 5-HTP is eliminated through the kidneys, so be sure to talk to your doctor and see if this and the other remedies of this video are safe for you before trying them. Number 6 is a very powerful natural remedy that can be used to replace NSAIDs in many cases. It works for back pain, arthritis, and many other inflammatory conditions. Let's see it. Number 6. Devil's Claw. Okay, I don't like the name of this one, but don't let the name scare you away. This plant may actually be very good for you. Found in South Africa, Devil's Claw has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can greatly help in getting rid of the pain, and according to studies, Devil's Claw may even lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels. So instead of causing kidney damage like taking NSAIDs would, taking this herbal remedy may actually help with your kidney health. Devil's Claw is widely available on Amazon.com or other herbal stores, and it's actually rather cheap. You can find it in capsule form and in oil form. Capsules are the preferred way of treating pain, and the dosage is around 1000 milligrams of extract 2 to 3 times per day, depending on pain severity. Devil's Claw has been proven especially effective for treating back pain, neck pain, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis, but it may also work for migraines. It works just like taking an ibuprofen or an aspirin. And I'm not exaggerating. A 54-week study on back pain compared 38 people who took Devil's Claw with 35 people who took the NSAID Vioxx. For these people, Devil's Claw worked as well as Vioxx to relieve pain. So, it's basically like taking an NSAID but without the side effects. This one is in fact pretty safe to use actually, and may even help your kidneys. Devil's Claw is pretty effective in fighting the hardening of arteries or atherosclerosis. So it's heart healthy, and remember, anything that helps with heart health will greatly help with kidneys health. Number 5 is a powerful home remedy with anti-inflammatory and anesthetic properties. Let's eat! Cloves! Yes, the spice you have in your spice rack. Whole cloves are in fact often used to spice up meat and rice dishes. Ground cloves are used in pies and many other foods, but this spice also has powerful medicinal properties. It protects against inflammation of different body parts, and cloves can even offer immediate and powerful pain relief. They're an analgesic. This effect is so noticeable. Cloves were used since the ancient times to treat toothaches. Today, clove essential oil is still used with success to treat not just toothaches but also headaches, arthritic inflammation, and more. This is thanks to a compound known as eugenol present in cloves. Cloves can also be used as part of a topical pain reliever, and they even have kidney protecting benefits. You can find clove oil in the medicinal section of your supermarket or the home remedy section of your pharmacy, or on Amazon and other online stores. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil such as olive oil before use. Cloves can be also found in capsule or powder form. By the way, guys, have you ever tried any of the remedies I've shown you so far? Were they useful for you? Let me know in comment section. Number 4 is a home remedy you can have for free and without any side effects. Hot baths. If you have always thought that hot baths were healthy, now there's scientific evidence to prove this. A recent study from Japan, where tub bathing is ingrained in the culture, followed more than 30,000 people for about 20 years. Compared with people who took baths less than twice a week, those who took baths nearly every day had a 28% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and a 26% lower risk of stroke. Incredible! Researchers think that these results are due to the blood pressure lowering and relaxing benefits hot baths can give you. So, if you aren't already taking hot baths or shower regularly, here's another reason to start doing this. Heat will get your blood moving, which is not only great for circulation, but can also help sore or tight muscles to relax. The addition of Epsom salts in your warm bath has been proven to help reduce inflammation in your joints caused by arthritis or other muscular diseases. Taking a bath in Epsom salts is also a great way to detox the kidneys. Next one is something probably all of you already tried, at least in food form, but when taken as a medicine, it can relieve pain very quickly. Number 3, capsaicin. Probably you have already heard of capsaicin. It's the active ingredient in hot peppers. It also gives them their hot taste. And it actually has medicinal properties, especially when it comes to relieving joint pain, headaches, fibromyalgia, rheumatoid arthritis, and osteoarthritis. And according to some research, capsaicin may also work for peripheral diabetic neuropathy, the nerve pain caused by diabetes. This works because capsaicin depletes a nerve cell known as substance P that transmits pain signals to our brain. You can find capsaicin-based remedies in 3 forms. As a cream, which works best for arthritis pain and for diabetic nerve pain. As patches, useful for arthritis pain and back pain. And as an extract. The extract is more useful for weight loss and gut health, but it may also be beneficial in case of conditions causing chronic pain, such as fibromyalgia, but also diabetes. Capsaicin remedies come both in over-the-counter and prescription forms. Stronger creams can be prescribed, for example, to treat diabetic nerve pain effectively. They have some minor side effects though. Capsaicin creams and patches can irritate your skin due to the irritating nature of this substance. Now guys, the remedies we have seen till now are helpful, no doubt about it. But the number 2 of today's top 7 will really surprise you. This one may completely replace NSAIDs in your medicine cabinet. Number 2. Arnica. Also known as wolf's bane or leopard's bane, arnica comes from the perennial Arnica montana, a yellow-orangish flower that grows in the mountains of Europe and Siberia. Arnica is used as a homeopathic medication to reduce inflammation and to soothe pain. It can be taken orally or topically and has been seen to help with acute traumas, bruises, soreness, and arthritis. But it may treat several other types of pain since it treats the swelling. It may help with headaches and sinusitis pain. It's basically like taking an ibuprofen pill because the active chemicals in arnica may reduce swelling and decrease pain. In gel form, it may be used to treat pain and stiffness in the hand and knee caused by osteoarthritis. Research shows that using arnica gel works as well as the painkiller ibuprofen in reducing pain and improving function in the hands. But arnica doesn't have the kidney killer side effects of ibuprofen. Arnica is widely available both as a cream or in capsules and tablets, and it's pretty cheap actually. What you should consider is that arnica has some side effects and interactions because of its ability to prevent clots from forming. Arnica should not be taken with other medications or herbal products that can thin the blood like aspirin, warfarin, and more. And if you would come in contact with the real thing, arnica herb, it would actually be poisonous for you. Homeopathic doses are obviously safe to use, so don't overdose and talk to your doctor before starting using it. Now guys, till now we have seen several natural remedies that can give you a very quick pain relief, but there are some natural remedies that cannot be compared to NSAIDs because they don't act quickly enough against the pain, but that are very useful on the long term, mainly because they fight the cause of the pain and can also be very beneficial for your kidneys. So also consider vitamin D. Vitamin D has probably become the most talked about vitamin recently, and for several good reasons. Supplementing this vitamin is an incredible resource for people with CKD because it may feel very common nutritional deficit associated with a faster progression of kidney disease. What you may not know already is that symptoms of vitamin D insufficiency also include chronic pain. Watch my video about vitamin D and kidney disease if you want to know more. And also, bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme extract derived from pineapples. The extract has a long history of use as a natural anti-inflammatory, so it may even help managing arthritis pain and other forms of chronic pain. Very healthy for your kidneys too. And also, omega-3 fatty acids. Probably one of the most useful remedies in the world because just like vitamin D, omega-3s are a very common nutritional deficiency. Omega-3 supplements have very powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help with arthritis pain at high doses. Taking them regularly may also slow down the progression of kidney disease. I've made a video about omega-3s too. And also, garlic. Garlic has been found to be useful for patients who have arthritis and other forms of chronic pain. Garlic has several other health benefits actually, including lowering blood pressure, a powerful healing food. Also, turmeric. Turmeric is a spice taken from the flowering plant of the same name in the ginger family. It is used to treat a wide variety of conditions including headaches, joint pain, and fibromyalgia. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can greatly help with kidney health. I have talked about turmeric in many videos for these reasons. On top of that, unlike many other remedies, turmeric doesn't really have any side effects, and we cannot forget about ginger. It has chemical compounds such as gingerol and shojool that block the inflammatory radicals from spreading. Gingerol is also used in many pain-relieving ointments, so that should be good enough to give you an idea of how effective ginger is. I eat ginger basically every day. It's very healthy. It can even soothe an upset stomach. Okay, we have seen some home remedies that can really do wonders for treating chronic forms of pain. But there's one thing that works a lot more effectively than home remedies. Our number one: exercising regularly. Exercise combats pain in a few different ways. It provides stress relief, decreases inflammation, and decreases overall pain levels. Not to mention that exercise is probably the single healthiest thing for your kidney health. So this could be a great moment to try my exercising program. Don't worry, all the exercises are very light and suitable for anyone. Link is up here if you're interested. So guys, what do you think? Are you already using these remedies? Will you start using them? Let me know. And I really hope the information in this video will be able to help you. A new video is coming next Tuesday. As usual, if you don't want to miss it, subscribe and set the notification bell to all. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.